In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 3D maps in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know how to switch views, turn on 3D buildings, and smoothly navigate using tilt, rotate, and zoom, so you can explore cities and terrain in a more realistic way. Start by opening Google Maps in your web browser and signing into your Google account. While you can browse without signing in, being signed in helps save your preferences and makes your experience more consistent across devices. Make sure you're using a modern browser, and for the best performance, consider closing other heavy tabs before you start. Next, look toward the bottom left of the map for the Layers panel and click Satellite to switch from the default map view to satellite imagery. If you don't immediately see the satellite option, it may be tucked inside a small Layers button. Just click that and choose Satellite. Satellite imagery gives you the photographic base you need for 3D buildings and terrain to appear naturally. Once Satellite is active, enable the 3D view by clicking the 3D button that appears on the map controls, typically along the right side of the screen. When 3D is on, buildings in supported areas will pop into realistic shapes and mountains will show their relief. Keep in mind that 3D coverage varies by location. If you don't see much depth, try zooming into a major city or well-mapped region. To change your perspective, use the tilt and rotate controls. With a mouse, hold the shift key and drag to rotate the scene, and tilt the camera up or down. On a trackpad, 2-finger swipe to rotate, and swipe up or down with 2 fingers to tilt. You can also use the on-screen controls. There's usually a tilt button and a compass. Clicking the compass resets your orientation to face north, which is handy if you lose your bearings. Now, zoom in and out to explore buildings and terrain in more detail. Use your mouse wheel, the plus and minus buttons on the map, or pinch on a trackpad. As you zoom closer, more 3D detail loads in, letting you see building heights, bridges, and landscape contours. If movement feels choppy, give the imagery a second to load, and try panning slowly so the 3D tiles render smoothly. That's it, open Google Maps and sign in, switch to satellite, turn on 3D, then use tilt, rotate, and zoom to explore. Practice in a well-known city to get comfortable, and remember you can always reset the view with the compass if you get turned around. Enjoy exploring the world in 3D.